had been in family practice for 13 years and thoroughly enjoyed it. I was having thoughts about looking at other areas of medicine and went to my first anti-aging conference in 2000. And I thought, wow, that is where I want to go, because not only are you trying to prevent disease, which of course is incredibly important, but it opens up the whole concept of wellness, the difference between what ill health is and what good health is. And that's where I think anti-aging medicine has taken me.
I've known Dr. Sweeney now for just over 2 years. I was going through perimenopause and very concerned about some of the changes I was experiencing. The sleeplessness, the weight gain, the memory loss were all making me feel like I wasn't me anymore. And I wasn't really happy with some of the answers I was getting from my healthcare providers. So I did a search, I read some books, and I found Dr. Sweeney's online and was delighted to hear that she was local.
I came to the clinic for a number of reasons, mainly symptoms such as lack of energy, low sex drive, and just basic well-being.
When I first came to her, I felt like there was some hope for how I was feeling.
I think the definition of wellness is best defined by the patient. They know when they've lost it. They know what good health feels like. They wake up in the morning rested. They have energy to tackle their day. And when their work day is finished, or whatever they're occupied with caring for families, they have time to relax and pursue other activities in the evening, and then fall asleep again for high quality sleep. And so we lose it often slowly, and our goals are to try and get that back in terms of how, when the patient reaches that point, they'll know they're there.
She did a very thorough physical assessment and lifestyle assessment, and then from there we did some lab work and found out really where my body was at. And then she made a plan for me that changed my diet and my exercise, and helped me make improvements to my sleep at night, as well as the bioidentical hormones.
What I found that sets this clinic apart is the exceptional help, the quick response to any inquiries, and of course Dr. Sweeney's style.
Well, the framework we use for the wellness practice is defined by the acronym DESERT. So we use diet, exercise, supplements, sleep and stress management, the early detection of the diseases of aging, as well as early intervention in those risk factors or diseases, risk reduction. Smoking, seatbelts are obvious sources of risk reduction, but there are others too that we look for. And then T is treating hormone imbalances.
My overall wellness, I feel, since being seen by Dr. Sweeney, is much improved. I often feel like I'm really entering my prime of my life.
I've got to say, I feel wonderful. I feel like me again. Because at the beginning, as I was going into perimenopause, I didn't feel like me. I'd look in the mirror and I thought, whatever happened to that woman? And once my hormones are restored and my lifestyle improved, I felt like me again, and I'm full of vitality and life again.
One of the most important things, I think, when you're with people and working with people, is that it's not very common that you come across somebody who doesn't kind of know what they need to do. So the other aspect of what I do is how to work with patients, not to motivate them, but to bring out in them the best practices that align with their goals. So you might call it motivational, but I think of it more as trying to align their behaviors with their goals.
You only have one life to live. It's not a dress rehearsal. We don't get any redos. So we have to make choices that are going to help us have the fullest life while we're alive.